Welcome to the Smells Like Teen Spirit guitar session. This is one finger, and we're using our first finger starting on frets 3 and 3 on the A and D strings. We're moving right away, moving up to fret number 8. So this is the F5, and this is the, what is that, the B5 on fret number 5, 7, 8. And then we're moving back down 2 frets to A flat 5, and then we're moving up again to position number 11 or fret number 11 to finalize our D flat 5. But it's one finger the whole way. And all we need are 2 downstrokes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 1, and 2, 3, and 4. And then that's it. If you wanted to consolidate or sort of place this in a more conservative area so we can reach it more easily, you can totally do that on the A and the D strings, but instead now we're moving up to the 2 middle strings. Here's the second way to do this, super easy. Again, one finger, but we're moving half the amount of space because we're playing that F5 here, the B flat 5 here on the 2 middle strings on frets 3 again, then moving up to 6 on the A and D strings, and then again to the fret 6 on the D and G strings for the D flat at the end. So we have F5, and then B flat 5, and A flat 5, and then D flat 5. Just be careful not to play, we're going to use a rest stroke where we come down through the 2 strings and then come to rest on the next smaller string. So we don't want to play all of those notes, right? Let's compare the two. One's a little more efficient than the other one. They both have their pros and they both have their cons. So you decide. During the verse, there's this really cool guitar line. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and T and 4 and 1 and 2 and T and 4 and 1 and 2 T and 4. And that's really cool because it's all done with the first finger the same way we did our F5 to begin with. Now we're playing another F5 instead of the C. Well, the C is on the bass again, C, F, and then we have C, F again. So we want to keep that thumb right there and keep everything tight. Now let's look at the bass line. The bass guitar line is pretty cool too. We've got that thumb, we'll use the thumb, and it could be all done with one finger. We have an F, a B flat, an A flat, and a D flat. Here it is. F, B flat, A flat, and then D flat. This is exciting because I wanted to let you know this is your first taste of chord melody on the guitar, where we play chords in the bass line or bass notes in the bass line and melody on top. Let's go ahead and tuck the pick away in the middle finger like that. We'll hold it. We'll use whichever fingers we can, probably the first finger on your index finger here to play the melody, right? Here's the melody. Here's the melody we're looking for on top of the bass line. So we'll play it one time through, and here we go. And we've got to let the melody ring, so we'll do it one more time. Didn't really hear that C note to begin with, so let's do it one more time. If you enjoyed what we did here today as much as I did, you can go ahead to the full lesson. The link is in the description. You can also download the full free PDF companion for this lesson as well. I'll see you over there. And until we meet again, I wish you happy picking.